Urugamiriri wa Thukuru wa Kenyatta University ugite riu nionyihitie honge cia thukuru nicio faculty iria mari nacio kuuma 19 nginya 9 undu uria utanyitwo kunyihia garama ya mihuthirire ya kigina ya thukuru uyu ta uria Vice Chancellor wa ihinda wa thukuru uyu Professor Wacheke wa Johi aratariria.
And with the approval of council, we are already implementing restructuring programs. For example, we have reduced our schools or faculties, as they are commonly known in other universities, from 19 to 9. Now we are operating with 9 schools. So there are opportunities that we have been given to actually address this.
Wacheke uria ukoretwo kiruta wira thukuru-ini uyu kwa ihinda ria miaka 35 augite thukuru uyu ni ukoretwo kiambatira ikiro itiganite na ica ikuhi ugakorwo kuranitwo ta umwe wa thukuru iria njega guku bururi-ini na nja wa bururi.
This is double excitement that we were ranked, and not just ranked, but also among the best in this country, and also within Africa and globally. We actually moved very many spaces up. We were actually ranked at 1,501 out of, I think, 2,092 institutions that were rankable.
Na riri thukuru uyu utanyite gugatabania mambura ma 56 ma kuhumba arutwo thumbi muthenya wa rucio. Professor Wacheke augite giki ni gikiro kia mwanya na muoroto wao munene ni gutigirira arutwo aria marathomera thukuru-ini uyu ni maguneka na njira itiganite kuria riu kuri na tabarira itiganite iria irathie na mbere thukuru-ini uyu.
Because for me it's a celebration of the journeys that our primary clients, the students, have walked, and also a celebration of the mentorship that they have received from our staff. Also supported by the national government to establish the first ever National Phytotherapeutic Center. You know, it's the therapeutic, the phyto means plant, therapeutic medicine, both nutrition medicine, and what this center is supposed to do is to inject science to what we call the herbalist, so that we can start making economic benefit.
Professor Wacheke augite wira uria thukeirwo ni munene akiuga ni wigiririki wa mutongorio wothe gutigirira ni anyita itemi hari guthondeka bururi gikiro-ini kiria ri.
We start doing what it is that we want to see Kenya be at our level. And that has been my philosophy even when I did not have a position. When I was just a lecturer, I managed to establish a 20 million laboratory just to make sure that women like me don't have to go outside of the country to actually do their PhDs.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.